Hey, I'm Sarah with TASER Self-Defense, and today we're going to go over unpacking the TASER Pulse Plus. So we'll start off, you'll remove the outer sleeve here, open up the box, and inside you'll see the device itself plus the two cartridges. We're going to go ahead and take this out. Underneath that foam, you'll have this little piece here. It's a lift to reveal. Lift this up. Inside, you'll have the battery pack, 2 CR123 batteries, and the TASER target. So we'll go over assembling this battery pack here. So inside you have the top of the battery pack itself, and the 2 CR123 batteries. The top of the battery pack has the positive and negative here, so you'll know which way the battery is going to go into the battery pack. It also has a small notch on the side. The small notch is going to go onto the side where the wire is coming out of the battery pack. So let's put the batteries in here. Do the negative on this side, positive on this side. You can see there it lines up with the orientation. We'll go ahead and put the top of the pack back on. Click that into place. So once you've assembled the battery pack, now we can put it into the device itself. To do that, we are going to make sure that the device is on safe. Slide the top of the battery pack off like so. On the inside of the device, there's the connector wire here. You want to be pretty gentle with this guy. You'll see the device connector there. It's sometimes easier to hold it in place with an index finger. You'll see the notches on the white part of the connector here. So you can put it in, connect it that way. And then once that's connected, you can go ahead and insert the battery pack into the device. It'll seat flat like so. And then you can take the top battery pack cover and slide that back into place. You'll hear that click into place. You'll know that's in position. Once that's done, go ahead and point the device in a safe direction. Make sure it is unloaded so no cartridge is in the device. Arm the device. On the back of the battery status indicator, you should see the green light there. You'll see a light and laser, and then we're going to go ahead and do a spark test. So we're going to keep it pointed in a safe direction, pull the trigger, and we'll let it go for the full 30 seconds to make sure that it's in full working order. We'll let this go. It's a long 30 seconds. Almost there, I promise. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and make the device safe. You're ready to load your cartridge and start carrying it for self-defense.